Hello YouTube and welcome back to another race in my team. Today it's Hungary. Here's the deal, just like Hungary 2021, we are gonna have a rainy race, but everything else is gonna dry, which should make it really interesting. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but let me tell you, these practice programs have made me a little nervous for how well we're gonna do. So stick around, let's hop into some qualifying and see, what we can do. All right, everyone, welcome to qualifying for the Hungarian Grand Prix. We currently have a wet setup running on this car because it's supposed to rain a lot during the race, it says. Which means our qualifying position will probably be actually horrible. But if we can get a semi-decent one, then at least we have a good setup for the race. So, yeah, we're going to just see. No! You have to be kidding me. 12. I've done this 2 race weekends in a row. All right, let's send this quality lap and see what we can do. Not that. I have max downforce and I still spun out on that corner. That doesn't make sense. Oh, I swear. I swear. Good Lord. Whoopies. Honestly, it's Samuel. He might have been, honestly. You never know. I wouldn't put it past anyone in this chat to talk to themselves, Sometimes you gotta get a good talk to yourself session going. This car has no pace. All right, let's see if we can just send another one for funsies because we have so little fuel. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
There's only 1 lap of fuel remaining.
Come on. Push. Push. Push through the plane of being a little low on fuel. You will be fine. Oh, 0.5 faster. Let's go. It's definitely a better lap. It's a better lap. Come on. Wow, I didn't even move. Oh, okay. Okay, this is bad. I'm 4/10 off of Mazepin. Over a second off of Russell? Are you kidding me? Put something together good. Oh, good. We're already down. That's good. Come on, let's go. Oh, half a second. I'm still in 22nd. I was almost a second slower than my teammate. Well, hopefully they're all running dry setups and mine will pay off for the race, but that was the worst qualifying I've ever had in my team, I think. All right, we're going around the outside. Good Lord, I'm so... I'm gonna be so aggressive.
There's been an incident on track, but officials aren't looking to push for a safety car.
Come on, let's go.
Just be careful.
Oh, good turn. Come on. Hold it together, Josh. You can do this. Nice. Oh, wow. Fighting for 19th. We love that. Remember, guys, first you must finish.
We've reached a worrying level of wear on the internal combustion engine. Let's try and keep the revs down. Early upshifts, later downshifts.
That was the wall. This is so bad. Oh no! Guys, I legitimately think our engine's going to explode. If this engine makes it through this race, I would be utterly shocked. Come on, Mazman. I dare you to try something. Oh, the rain's coming. All right, it is raining. We're going to see if people go into pit or not. It's not really raining a lot, not really losing a lot of grip. Oh, this car is so slow. How can this car be so incredibly slow? It just doesn't even make sense. It is actually shocking. Oh, he has DRS? No wonder. Did I damage anything? We're good, we're good.
There's been an incident on track resulting in
Woo!
loose debris. Fortunately, the marshals have managed to clear it up in time and there are no plans for a safety car right now.
You know, it's a really good race day, guys. It's going very well. Good lord. That is going to blow up. Wow, Mazman really dropped back there. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that was close. That was close. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep, we're good. We're good. We're good. Oh, Mazman's pitting. I don't know, guys. I feel like we might want to switch to inters. For boxing.
Confirmed. We'll
I'm doing it.
You at the end of this lap.
What do you do?
Confirmed.
No, no, I want to pit now.
The pit box is currently full. Stay out on track. Stay out on track.
No. No.
We can't take you right now. Pit in next lap.
I'm pitting now. Take me. You will. Yeah, what do you mean you can't take me? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, boy. Look at that. You can take me. You're fine.
Go, go, go.
Oh, they didn't replace a wing. Let's go. Go. Still in front of Mazman, who is on softs? What? Oh, yeah. Inters were the right choice. This is bad. Oh, my engine gonna explode. Will my engine survive? That's the game we're gonna play today. I don't know. Turn.
Inters look like the best tire for now.
Okay, yeah, obviously it's still raining, but like, how long is left on the rain, Jeff? What is what do you want me to do with that information, Jeff? That is the worst information you've given me all race. Blah. Last lap, it blows up. God, that would suck. Wow. Holy crap. A one-handed save. What even is life? Now I just get to follow and watch this battle. This is the most exciting thing that's happened in my race all day. Come on, baby. We can do this together, car. You and me. We cannot finish last.
On the exit, we'll receive a penalty for dangerous driving if you cross over into the track.
Bro, why are you yeeting me into people? Basically, the entire field is going to lap me at this point. Oh, no.
We've been handed a
God!
3-second penalty for obvious corner cutting.
Jeff, I swear to God, if you say obvious corner cutting again, I'm smashing this car straight into a wall. For obvious corner cutting. Esteban Ocon is out of the session. My rival's out of the session. Okay, guys. All I have to do is finish. Ooh, a VSC, a VSC. That is the key.
VSC ending, we're going green. Maintain positive delta until the green flags. Okay, slow down, slow down. Your delta is negative, which means you are too fast. Reduce your pace.
What? I didn't speed. There's no way.
Penalty, you have a drive-through penalty.
What? I lowered my speed. This race has gone from bad to worse to somehow even worse. It doesn't even make sense how the FIA can... I slowed down, FIA. I don't even understand what your problem is. You got a problem with me, FIA? Oh, boy. You got a problem? You got a problem, FIA? Oops.
We're still happy that we're on the right tires
Ah!
at the moment. A new strategy is available on the MFD.
Whoa! That went well.
Some information on Stroll. They are out of the race.
Did I do that?
Copy.
I may have done that. Come on, engine. Just last till the end. You can do it. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go. I almost hit him again. Oh, God. Please, engine, hold on. You can make it. Dude, we are going to just finesse this thing all the way home. Early upshifts, very late downshift.
Tire lap
Ah,
down
crap.
Old Inters. Their tires are 9 laps old.
I'm
The
2
tire
laps
time
down?
is a 1:36.1.
Well, that sucks. Come on. Come on. You can make it. You can make it. There we go. There's the winner. Now he's got to make it across the start-finish line. No!
Are you okay? How was the nasty hit?
No!
Turn the engine off.
No
Marshal.
way! I was so close. I wonder if I can flashback. I wonder if we can flashback and it won't die on me. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. You got it. We gotta try. Wait, I can't flash back? What the heck? Oh no. Well, guys, there you have it. We were like 5 turns from finishing the race, and our engine just didn't want to do it. We made it last a lot longer on 100% than we thought we could, but not every weekend's going to be ours. And apparently in Season 1, no weekend will be ours. So, except Canada. Canada was good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.